All right, good morning. Today we have five draws for you, total of 268 odds. Let's get started. The first game we have today is a game in the Ivory Coast and League One where Seoul is taking on uh, the Nguli Sport, and then my prediction here is full time draw. The next one we have is a game in the Brazil Polystar Serie A where November is taking on Union Sassuolo, and my prediction here is full time draw. The next one we have is a game in the Brazil amateur division where Tocantinopolis is taking on Union Aragones, and my prediction here is full-time draw. Kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friend. Drop your predictions today in the comment section. And then if you want to join VIP and win daily, we give 5 to 50 also every day. So chat me up on WhatsApp if you are interested. I'll leave the WhatsApp link in the comment section. Moving on, we have the fourth game on this ticket in the Brazil Polystar Serie A under 23, a game between GD Sao Callens taking on Colorado, and my prediction here is full time draw. The last game on this ticket is a game in the still in that same league, Brazil Amateur, a game between Rolling de Mora taking on G Parana. My prediction here is a full time draw. That gives us 268 odds, 5 matches. Bet responsibly, and here is the booking code for those people using Sportybet. If you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and select this game in your own local booking and play them. I'll see you guys later, and remember to bet responsibly. Thank you.